How are you doing?
Hello, doing well, thanks. What are you working on?
I think it's interesting. I chose a career that is a fascinating move for me because I'm a people person. I love people. I want them to like me, and yet I chose a career where I make determinations where almost always half the people won't like my finding. What I think has been a gift to me is that I was able to marry two passions. One, I do love the law. I love employment law. I love what I do in workplace investigations, campus investigations, but I've been able to marry it with my passion for people. When I finally did get my first job, it happened to be in employment law, and I actually ended up loving it. It works for me in large part because it really deals a lot with people. Workplace investigations, I think, really gives an opportunity to try to solve things before you get into litigation. Make the environment, that's a place that is comfortable for everybody to work. We have seen an upswing in investigations both on campuses and workplace steadily since I started this in 2006. It has just exploded. I would say the Me Too movement has drawn more media attention to it and more understanding by lay people about what it is. But in terms of the uptick in cases, I think that the escalation has been pretty consistent all along, regardless of Me Too. I think students who are considering McGeorge have some distinct advantages. First of all, McGeorge, the community in which it sits is really a tight legal community. And I think that's very helpful for students as you're trying to figure out what your path is and as you surround yourself with mentors. And McGeorge has a very strong reputation throughout California. And I think they care. They care a lot about their students. They want them to be successful. They want them to pass. They invest into them for that reason. Our firm has been a strong supporter of McGeorge, and it shows up in different ways. One is we like McGeorge grads. We've hired 4 of them, and in addition to me, that's 5 McGeorge grads at our firm. We've also been very involved in the mentor program. McGeorge has a formal mentor program, and we've also operated in very informal capacities. In fact, we had one of McGeorge students shadowing us just a few weeks ago in our office. So I want to give back to McGeorge. They've done wonderful things for me, and it's been a fantastic career, so we feel strong about doing that.